Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, the most important thing is the internet connection. Make sure that you've got it. You can be connected with the Wi-Fi or use mobile data, and then you can enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, tap on Advanced, and tap on System Update, which should be at the bottom of this list. And as you can see, your device will right now check for the updates, and we've got two different scenarios. You can be up to date, so you will have this information just like I have, that your software is up to date. You can of course check your current version, etc. Or the second scenario is when your device will search for the update and it will find something. It will provide you with the name of the version. You can download with any kind of fixes, any kind of bugs, what has been done in this new update, and then you will be able to decide whether you want to use it, whether you want to update the system, just by tapping on the option, which will be somewhere here. Simply tap on Update or Download, and your device will download and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.